Welcome, Aida with Hardscape.com. We're over here in Bonita Springs, Florida, in this beautiful driveway. It's about a 9,000 square foot driveway where the homeowner selected a Rovere Plank. Accurate Pavers is here, one of our preferred certified installers in the area, doing a fantastic job following your installation guidelines and installing your product. Broken line application, everything is spot on, lines are perfect with our spacers in place. Take a look at the application. We're going to talk to the project manager and get his feedback on the product, how well it's going down, feedback and comparisons with other products they've used. Stay tuned. So I'm here in Bonita Springs on this beautiful driveway. Carlos with Accurate Pavers, welcome. He's doing an awesome job here. I just wanted to get your feedback on when you first got this product. It's a plank, it's a long size. What did you think, and what's the feedback after putting so much down?
Before starting, I think it's a big problem, the plank for the size. But now the job looks amazing. The homeowner is very happy. The material is very easy to work. It's very good quality, the porcelain, the carry and everything. Everything goes.
Doing well, right? Can you touch on your processes? This is obviously a sunset application.
Yes, it's a sunset. In this driveway it's a little complicated because we have a lot of pitch change in the driveway, but it's fine. We use 4 or 5 inches Paver and sunset. We pinset the border.
Yeah.
Everything is good. It's
awesome.
Very good to work, and the sunset, you don't see the difference between sunset and max.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time.
You're very welcome.
I really appreciate it. So if you're interested and you're looking for a certified installer in Bonita Springs, Naples, Fort Myers area, can you give us your contact information, your website?
Yes, 239-405-0938.
And the company name is Accurate Pavers. Your website?
I don't have the website here.
You don't have the website? I believe it's www.accuratepavers.net.
Yes.
Okay, accuratepavers.net. And here we have Aida.
Awesome. Stay tuned for the finished product. We'll bring you more videos.